Once upon a time, deep within an enchanted forest, there lived a little frog. Now this frog wasn't like the others. While his brothers and sisters spent their days lounging on lily pads and catching flies, he would sneak away to a hidden pond at the edge of the forest. This pond was unlike any other. It was small and secluded, with water so clear you could see right through it. And yet, despite its beauty, no one ever came here. "Well, hello there," said the frog. "Where are you off to in such a hurry?" The tadpole stopped and turned around. "I'm on my way to the great river," he said. "I have to get there before nightfall. It's a long swim, and I'm just a little tadpole." "Why the rush?" asked the frog. "What's so special about the river?" The tadpole looked at him for a moment. "That's where I'm supposed to be," he said simply. "That's where I belong." And with that, he turned and swam away. Every day, he would hop down to the hidden pond, take a big, deep breath, and dive right in. At first, it was hard to explain why he did this. He didn't know any more than you did. But something about this pond, something about its stillness and silence, made him feel strangely at peace. You see, the other frogs had a silly superstition. They believed that since no one ever visited this pond, it must be cursed. But our little frog didn't care about their silly superstitions. One day, as he was sitting on a rock by the pond, basking in the warm sunlight, he noticed a tiny tadpole swimming past him. The frog watched him go, and a strange feeling came over him. He suddenly felt very still and very small, like the whole world was holding its breath. And then he heard a voice. "Are you listening to me?" he asked. Startled, he looked around, but there was no one there. "Who said that?" he asked. The voice came again. "It's me. Are you listening?" The frog closed his eyes and listened. And when he opened them, he saw the most beautiful butterfly he had ever seen. Its wings were like stained glass, catching the light and throwing it back in 1,000 different colors. "Who are you?" he asked. "I'm the one who's been waiting for you," she said. "Waiting for me?" "Yes, for many years I've been waiting for someone to come here. Someone who wasn't afraid of the quiet, someone who could listen. And now I finally found you." And with that, she fluttered away, leaving the frog all alone by the pond. And that's when the frog realized that the deepest truths are often found in the quietest places.